Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, what we're basically going to do is to shuffle a list of data. You can say a sequence of data. That's basically what we're going to do in this video. We're going to make use of a function, this random library that I'm talking about in this while. The name of the function that's built in this random library is called a shuffle. You can say random.shuffle. It's going to shuffle a list of elements. So we're going to give it a list of elements for it to shuffle. So in another video, we did a basic game, which was this, where we can just guess and out we make use of this round int. So let's go straight to today's video. So like I said, we're going to give it a list of numbers, or we can say a list of values. Okay, let me create a variable. Let's call it call it box, and then give it values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you don't know what I did just a variable. This is its value. This just signify that this is a list, because if you do type open bracket and put this box, it's going to definitely tell that this is a list. So then I've created my list. Now I'm going to do random shuffle. Okay, which is random shuffle, and then it's going to take box as its argument. So when I run this, when I print out box, it's going to display the shuffled box for me. So let's run and see how it will be wondering, why didn't I store this random shuffle in a variable? This is just the basic. This is being since this random shuffle, it modifies the object that is in a particular place. So you don't need to store it. If I was to store it in a new variable, it will be as if we are trying to get or to build a new shuffled value. So with these are Python provides us for us to do this. So we're definitely going to modify this box in this particular object. So let's run it. Let me try printing my box. So let's see our output. Then I will explain better. Let me drag this up. As you can see, I got new shuffled box. Initially our box started with 1, 2, 3, was well organized, but right now organized. If I run it again, it's going to get like going to be reshuffled in many ways. So but what happens if I try to store this guy in a variable? Let's say I created a variable val, and then I try printing out this val right here. It's going to return null, because you can see it return null, because this random shuffle, especially this function shuffle, is what it does is just to what it does is just to change the object in a particular place. And if you are watching my video on OOP, this shouldn't be a hard thing for you to understand, but don't worry, if you are getting it a little bit twisted, now as we go on, we're going to see more of this, we're going to understand it more. So this random shuffle, just know that this is it changes an object in a particular place, so you don't need to store it in a variable. So just print out your box. Automatically it's going to shuffle this box here, and then when you print out your box, it's going to shuffle the box for you. This is basically using sure where we don't want to, let's say in a situation where we wrote a lot of maybe alphabet, for example, just want to shuffle it, maybe to create the first 10 alphabet. We want to use it for password, for example. I said that at the initial video, I said that it's not really useful, it's not really the best to create password, because it's using what's called an algorithm. It's an algorithm that generates random numbers. It can be hacked, so it's not really the best to do it. But in this situation where we want to, in games where, let's say for cards game, we want to reshuffle the card, we can make use of this random shuffle just to reshuffle our card and then get our reshuffled card. Just simple as that. So that's just basically what I want to look at in this video. Now next video, I'm going to do a similar thing, which is called random choice, which is similar to behave in a similar way to this of our shuffle. So I think this is where we'll draw the curtain for this video. If you enjoy, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.